Welcome to the FireStory Communication Academy, the very best place for middle and high school kids, as well as professionals to learn critical public speaking and communication skills. Now, I would love to tell you exactly why this is the very best place, but wouldn't you rather hear that directly from my students?
FireStory is not just a school, it's more of like an experience. You get to have fun with people that you didn't know before, and you get to create new friendships, and you get to have fun to play games, learn about speech, and you even get to learn some life skills. And I've had a great time in this class.
FireStory might seem like school, but it's actually a lot more than that. We play games, we learn by doing. We also do improv, which is always a lot of fun. And most of all, the people in it are also super supportive when someone's scared to give a speech.
My favorite thing that we did at FireStory is that we did a comedy piece where we memorized one of our favorite comedy sketches from a comedian, and we performed it in front of our live audience and parents.
At FireStory, we learned great communication skills to help us prepare for our social life as well as our personal life, whether it's giving a talk at church or speaking with an adult. Helps me step up to the challenge.
FireStory is something I'd recommend to basically anyone. I've learned a lot of stuff, I've made some new friends, and we just become overall better speakers. It's a great class for anyone to take, and I totally recommend it.
FireStory is really awesome. Not only do we hang out with friends and play fun games, but we get to learn life lessons about the 7 habits and other awesome stuff.
It's not just a speech class. You don't just learn how to speak in front of a crowd. You also learn principles that you can put into your personal life and not just use on a stage. Before, I was super shy. I never wanted to speak in front of a crowd or any audience of any kind. I just wanted to get out of there. But then after I took this class, I started to have fun, and now it's one of my favorite things to do is to speak in front of an audience. And it just helped me so much, even in other parts of my life. And that's why I love this class so much.
You can find out more about our signature 14 weeks from Fear to Firebrand program or our Communication Mastery program at my website at firestory.com, or you can just give me a call. I love to talk.